The torts connected to land are private nuisance and Rylands v. Fletcher, both of which protect landowners from unlawful interference with the use or enjoyment of land. Private nuisance is a tort that protects a person's interest in land by preventing substantial and unreasonable interference with the use or enjoyment of that land. The elements of private nuisance are an interference with land, the interference being unreasonable, and the claimant having a proprietary interest in the land. A nuisance is interference such as noise, smells, vibrations or fumes affecting land, as shown in St. Helens Smelting Co. v. Tipping. Interference with land is an act or state of affairs that affects the claimant's use or enjoyment of land, as shown in St. Helens Smelting Co. v. Tipping. Unreasonable interference is interference that goes beyond what a reasonable neighbor should tolerate, as shown in Miller v. Jackson. Unreasonableness is assessed using factors such as locality, duration, and intensity, as shown in Miller v. Jackson. Proprietary interest is the requirement that the claimant has a legal interest in the land, as shown in Hunter v. Canary Wharf. The ability to claim is limited to those with a proprietary interest in the land, as shown in Hunter v. Canary Wharf. Liability to be sued applies to the person responsible for creating or continuing the nuisance, as shown in Sedley Denfield v. O'Callaghan. Defenses are statutory authority and prescription. Statutory authority is a defense where the nuisance is an inevitable result of an activity authorized by Parliament, as shown in Allen v. Gulf Oil Refining Limited, while prescription is a defense where the defendant has carried out the nuisance openly and continuously for at least 20 years, as shown in Sturgis v. Bridgman. Remedies are damages, injunctions or abatement, as shown in Shelfer v. City of London Electric Lighting Company. Damages are a monetary award to compensate the claimant for loss suffered, injunctions are court orders requiring the nuisance to stop or be limited, and abatement is the self-help remedy where the claimant takes reasonable steps to remove the nuisance, as shown in Lemon v. Webb. Rylands v. Fletcher is a tort imposing strict liability where a defendant brings something dangerous onto land that escapes and causes damage. The elements of Rylands v. Fletcher are a non-natural use of land, the accumulation of a dangerous thing, escape, and damage. A non-natural use of land is a special use bringing increased danger to others, as shown in Transco plc v. Stockport Metropolitan Borough Council. Accumulation of a dangerous thing is the bringing onto land something likely to cause mischief if it escapes, as shown in Cambridge Water Co. v. Eastern Counties Leather. Escape is the movement of the dangerous thing from the defendant's land to the claimant's land, as shown in Red v. J. Lyons. Damage is foreseeable damage caused by the escape, as shown in Cambridge Water Co. v. Eastern Counties Leather. The requirements to bring a claim are that all elements of Rylands v. Fletcher are satisfied and damage is foreseeable, as shown in Cambridge Water Co. v. Eastern Counties Leather. Defenses are act of God, act of a stranger, consent and statutory authority, as shown in Nichols v. Marsland. Thank you for watching this video on torts connected to land. I'll see you in the next one.